I'm Ramona Foster from Social Media How To's with Romona, and today I want to bring to you a small business tip. As a marketing consultant and constant contact partner, I use online marketing to help my clients get new customers and increase their revenue. And these days, one of the most popular and most effective tools for small businesses is email marketing. So let's talk subject line. The key to writing a subject line that gets your email opened and read is to keep it short and to the point. 5 to 8 words is plenty. And don't try to tease folks or be mysterious. Just tell them what's in the email and what's in it for them. That's the kind of message that will get your email opened, read, and acted on. I hope this tip helps your small business do more business. Tune in tomorrow for another quick tip. And if you want to learn more about constant contact and email marketing, be sure to visit romonafoster.com. Click on or move your mouse over the service tab and click on email marketing.